What's up? 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 What's up?
Yo, what's up guys? It's me again, Cryptocurrency Trader, and welcome back sa another episode ng ating live. And of course, for tonight, we'll be discussing syempre kung ano bang mangyayari for the next few days or coming days sa ating cryptocurrency market. Especially we will have a market watch din, especially sa altcoins. So I'm also going to discuss kung ano ba yung mga pera na pinamimigay ngayon ni Binance kasi as you can see, ang daming promo na binibigay ni Binance and alam ko some of you medyo nahihirapan basahin yung mga mechanics nila. So from here, I'm going to simplify everything para mas maintindihan nyo in our own explanation. So with that, habang di pa tayo nag-umpisa, I want you guys to post your or kindly type sa ating comment section yung inyong mga chart request habang onti pa lang at hindi matabunan ang inyong mga chart request. So with that, umpisa natin ang ating live with our BTC analysis and from there, talo naman tayo with our coin market cap. And you will also notice walang masyadong galaw ngayon sa ating market is simply because some of the users or traders is there are more on trading or they are more into staking. So though hindi tayo nag-staking, pero we are still looking for other altcoins to trade, especially with Sand USDT. So punta muna tayo with Sand USDT. So ito guys, isa to sa titingnan natin for today or / for tonight. Okay, kasi yung iba sa inyo alam ko wala pang tulog and feel nila umaga pa rin. Ayan o. And also punta din naman natin ngayon ang BTC USDT. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga possible opportunities with BTC USDT. So dito ngayon, you will also notice na very intact pa rin yung ating analysis with BTC. It's still moving on a ranging market. And as our per analysis, we can expect a possible continuation of a pattern. So coach, ano bang pattern ang possible na makita natin dyan? We could possibly have a pattern like this. So it seems na ang coin market cap natin, kung ibabanggaan natin to with our volume or overall volume sa ating cryptocurrency market, you will also notice na nag-hold tayo around 341 billion, which means na merong mga nagko-consolidate ng BTC. But again, don't have let's always have this expectation na possible ma-break ang ating support around this area of 9,000 level, and if possible na mag-hold yan, we can also expect a long-ranging market and kung magkaroon naman tayo ng maraming retest above, especially with 11,100 to 11,000 support area, kung ma-retest yun na maraming beses, we can expect a possible test around 12,000 area and hopefully sana ma-break yan. And kung nag-short kayo with BTC or long, I don't recommend trading BTC right now because there are also a lot of opportunity to trade with spot trading kung nag-accumulate kayo ng BTC. So meron naman tayong BTC pair to trade with. So for example, sabihin natin gusto nyo mag-trade with Sand, no? Tapos pwede naman kayo mag-trade dyan with BTC kung nagpaparami kayo again ng BTC. But if you think na very volatile and very risky ang pag-trade ngayon ng BTC pairs, you can also trade some of the altcoins with USDT pairs. So isa yan sa ating mga tini-trade if we don't have clear direction with BTC para ma-minimize din natin ang ating mga losses. So moving on sa ating BTC dominance, we also have a 57.9. It means 8% ng BTC is or ng money is now being traded. Okay, yung 0.8% dyan is not being traded na sa ating BTC. Because before, last week ba yun? Or correct me if I'm wrong, maybe it's last week or last month, no? It was around 57.1. So makikita nyo na nag-stabilize ngayon yung BTC. So it's moving on a range. That's why I see this is going to be a good opportunity to trade altcoins since wala masyadong hilahan sa ating market. So some of the coins kasi ngayon are very correlated with each other. So before, hindi natin sinasabi na correlated sila because hindi naman sila correlated before. But right now, they are now very correlated, no? So ang BTC kasi or ang cryptocurrency market in general ay nagbabago-bago kasi every month, no? And also, tingin naman tayo sa ating chat. So we have now our chart request coming from Raul Fajardo, Link USDT. Coach, baka pwede. Definitely. I-chart request natin yan. I-chart natin yan later. Coming from Renji, Tidong, Zil daw. Okay, Zilika. Ayun, what's up? And also, big shoutout din kay Crypto Damos na laging nandito sa ating stream. Especially with Ma'am Renalyn Torres. Magandang gabi din sa iyo, Ma'am Renalyn. Also kay Aldrich Stan. ayun no, maagang Merry Christmas. Ayan, Y-Max boss. Ayun. Okay. After nun, Xmas na, sunod Z-Max. Ayun no. Ayan, okay. So punta naman natin ngayon yung mga chart request. Moving on. Also, big shoutout din kay Hans Barakiel. Ayan. Better late than never. Ayun. Sabi ni John Reyes, sir, may entry trades ka kanina. Wala akong entry trades ngayon pero I'm looking at ito nga, Sand USDT. I'm waiting for a decent retracement pero it seems na possible niya talaga ma-break na itong resistance area na to for this evening. Kaya isa yan sa aking tinitignan if magkakaroon ba ng possible continuation on the upside. Since looking at it on its daily time frame, makita natin na may resistance dito sa area na to. Ayun no, resistance na dating support or supports na dating resistance, and it could possibly reject its intraday prices, no, especially around this time frame, especially with 1 hour. So since buhay na buhay pa yung daily time frame natin, we don't want to short this kasi in the first place buhay na buhay pa yung green yan, and it could possibly go back to its moving average 50. Ito yung 50 moving average natin, so ayan isa sa akin titignan once na possible na magkaroon siya ng retracement around this area. So, we also have a chart request coming from Riar Villanes, Neo USDT. Ayan, so umpisa na natin ang ating chart request. Umpisa muna natin yung TRX. Ayan, so hindi pa ako nakapag-charting ng ibang mga sinasabi niyo dyan dahil oonti pa lang din yung mga nakita kong magaganda. So, very interesting na mag-post kayo ng TRX USDT because there's a possibly na baka mamaya magkaroon to ng rebound on the upside. So, as of now, kung makita natin, we already have our support area. So, may matagal na tayo na plot dito. And I believe siguro isa ka sa nagpa-chart request nito. John Reyes, no? Wazoo! Okay. So, ngayon guys, alisin muna natin yung mga drawings natin. And syempre, we want to prioritize on price action and price itself or aka candlesticks. Pwede rin tayo tumingin sa mga patterns pero isa yan sa titignan natin mamaya pa. So burin muna natin yung ating mga support levels dito. So umpisa natin dito hanggang dito. So ito yung major support natin for this area. For this area lang kasi syempre ibang usapan na yung pagdating dito. Okay, ibang support na yan dito. So, nagiging major support to, and it seems na very significant to dahil maraming sumasalo around this area. So, hindi pala marami. Ang masasabi natin, may mga sumasalo. Okay, so if we're going to short that and expect for the price to go on the downside, especially for sabihin natin, target price of 0.02, 470 or 0.02413, medyo masasabi natin na possible na ma-hit niya yan pero hindi pa ngayon. And if you're going to plot our support and resistance on a macro perspective, ito yung malaking support and resistance levels natin. And if talagang ma-break niya tong level na to, tong nasa gitna na to, you can also expect for the price to move on our next support, major support around this area. Okay, sa area na to. And syempre may mga iba pang major area dyan. Ito yung pinaka major. Ayan, so you can also use a daily candlestick and then pwede nyo rin yan i-log. Ayan, okay. Pag sinabi nating log, logarithmic, hindi yun yung log na hindi na gumagalaw yung internet ninyo. Okay, so log yan, log. Okay, logarithmic. Pwede rin, log, no, nahulog. Ayan. So ito yung mga medyo malalim-lalim yung mga major support nito, no. Pero on this level, on the time frame, ayan, ito yung major niya. Okay, so ito makita natin support and resistance levels natin dito within 1 hour time frame. So moving on to our 4 hour time frame para makita natin kung ano ba yung magiging possible movement niya. Since I also see a moving average 100 here in this level. So kung ma-break nga yan, gaya na sabi natin kanina, it will also confirm na baka ma-retest ito and then magkakaroon siya ng isang malaking ranging market. And so next question will be, Coach, maganda ba i-trade yan kung gano'n mangyayari? Siguro wag ka magpagitna, no? Wag ka magpapadala sa gitna. Kasi since nagiging range to, ang atake mo dapat dyan is short on resistance, buy on support. But again, this is not financial advice, so make sure to you have a plan kung magti-trade ka dito. So as always, trade responsibly. So wala tayong masyadong masasabi dito with ERX. So ayun nga lang guys, ang ating support and resistance level ang pinakamagandang basis natin dyan if we're going to trade it. Kung maghahanap ka ng mga maliliit na pattern, siguro hindi, for me that's not going to be a reliable pattern since again this is a ranging market. Okay, so with that, that's our TRX USDT analysis. Maraming salamat. So for our next chart request, we have Cryptodamus BNB USDT. So with BNB USDT, mukhang gumagalaw din to sa malaking ranging market dahil na inispatan ko rin to kanina eh. Okay, so looking at it on our daily time frame, ayan, so naka-on na yung lag natin. Okay, so hindi na, medyo smooth na. Ano ba yun? Ayun, log. Ayan. So, makita natin dito guys, if once we click our log or logarithmic scale, makita natin kung saan yung origin ng price niya. So, it started with 0.5. Pero syempre, hindi naman yan importante dito. Ang importante dito is what's going to happen next for BNB. So, lagyan natin ng support and resistance level. Syempre, ito yung mga major support and major resistance niya. And it also had a high of 38.0. Ano ba yung pinaka-high nito? Pinaka-high niya is 39.5941. Ayan, okay. So from here, makikita natin na it successfully break this level, pero it was rejected around this area. Kung mapapansin nyo rin yung moving average natin, that is not our ideal moving average for BNB since pag nagiging ganito yung movement ng ating price with our moving average, it means nag-struggle siya. Okay, struggle. Ayan, struggle. Okay, nag-struggle siya. So it means medyo mahirapan siya to break our resistance. Pero if we can see a lot of retest on smaller time frame within this area, pwede yan ma-break. Pero always expect na baka meron na naman tayong banggain na resistance around this area which will retest our support just in case ma-break yung level na yan. Okay, so ito yung magiging next ideal level natin for BNB. But as of now, kung iti-trade mo to, I don't recommend to trade BNB. Siguro, ang masasabi ko dyan, you can buy BNB, you can hold BNB for the sake of trading in Binance kasi syempre liliit ang fees mo dyan. And definitely, as of now, may mga babanggain kasi tayong resistance, so that's why we don't want to trade BNB kasi syempre pag alam naman natin sa mga resistance na dyan, minsan yung mga short seller waiting to get filled, and once na maging tama sila, more likely possible nila mapabagsak yung price once na mag-snowball ang kanilang orders or yung kanilang positions. So that's our analysis for BNB USDT, and this is our daily time frame. So hindi ko gusto yung movement ng moving average price niya, so ayun yung sa ating pinaka-important takeaway, no? So medyo mabagal, medyo gagapang ito papunta doon sa ating resistance. So with that, maraming salamat ulit sa iyong chart request, Cryptodamus. So that's our BNB USDT analysis. Thank you. And syempre, since napag-usapan na natin yung BNB USDT, by the way guys, Binance is going to have another promo. So itong promo na to guys, all you need to do is syempre register sa ating link. So ilalagay ko yan dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan, sa ating comment section, naka-post na sa ating link. And the next thing you need to do, is to trade for at least 3,000 pesos, okay, or 60 USD. So, syempre, pag nakasali ka dito, you will have a chance to win 1,000 pesos or 20 USD for consolation prize. So, ito guys, namimigay na naman ng pera si Binance, and definitely, ang kailangan mo lang gawin dito is mag-trade ka for at least 3 times a day. Okay, so, syempre, para mas mapadali pa natin pag-explain nito, ano yung meaning ng mga surge dyan? Okay, so dito, ito guys, Tagalog na Tagalog. Halimbawa daw, kung ang mga user daw is nag-trade ng 5 beses sa isang araw, okay, meron ka ng chance, or meron, saan ba yun? Raffle, nasan na yung raffle? Ayun, okay. Raffle. Ayan, okay. So, meron ka ng raffle. So, gaya ng ginawa natin last time guys, pag magti-trade ka araw-araw, Okay, sabihin natin for this day, nag-trade ka gamit yung Binance Mobile. Okay, doon ka nag-execute. Okay, so once na nakapag-execute ka, that is considered as an entry. Pero ang question, ilan ang entry? So, hanapin natin yung entry. Alam ko 8 entry to eh. So, ba yan? Entry. Okay, entry. 8. Saan ba 8? 8 yun eh. 8. Ayan, okay. So, automatically guys, ang sabi ni Binance, magkakaroon ka daw ng 8 entry for today. Sabihin natin nag-trade ka. Pero make sure again guys na nag-register kayo kasi kung hindi ka napag-register sa link na sinend ko, definitely hindi kayo makasali. Okay, so with that, syempre, ira-raffle ulit natin yan dito sa ating live, di ba? So, next question, paano naman yung mapapanalunan namin dyan? Ito na guys. If makuha nyo yung surge, sabihin natin 3x, you will have a chance to win 5,000 pesos. Paano naman coach kung 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday? So, ito yung makikita nyo yung time. So, ayan yung surge, no? So, sabihin natin sa 2x, meron kang 5,000. Ayan. Ayun yung possible mapanalunan mo. So, from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., so, daily. Okay? You will have another chance to win 5,000 pesos. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple guys. Ang titingnan ko kasi dito sa mga ganitong mechanics, yung pinakamadaling kunin. Okay, wag nyo na kunin yung pinakamahirap, yung pinakamadali. And by the way, syempre, sabihin natin ito. Kung ang mga user daw ay nag-trade ng 3 beses sa isang araw, okay? At sa yung isa daw sa 3 trade na yon, sabihin natin 1,000 USD pinang-trade mo, okay? Ang mangyayari dyan, magbibigyan ka ng isang slot, okay, for another raffle. So kung mapapansin nyo, sabi ko kanina, yung meron din tayong consolidation advancing tuloy. Okay, meron pa rin tayong ibibigay na meron ka pa ring raffle ticket doon. Okay, sabihin natin hindi mo na hit yung 5 trade. So with that, kasali ka pa rin. Okay? So for more info, syempre guys, nandito naman yung ating nandito naman yung ating raffle. Ayan. Nandito yung buong mechanics sa ating raffle. So, ayan guys, pwede nyo siyang basahin for more details. So, going back sa ating chart analysis. Okay. So, moving on. Tapos na tayo kay TRX. Punta naman tayo kay Link USDT. Ayan, okay. With Link USDT, mukhang na-hit niya na yung support area dito. So, this is why we always want to mention ng ating support and resistance is considered as a zone. Okay? Or not. Considered as a zone siya, guys. Hindi siya line in our chart. For example, ano ibig sabihin natin doon? Ito guys, bakit siya nagkaroon ng bounce? Kasi more likely, it probably hit our support area. So, yung support level natin, matagal natin na-plot ito dito. Nandito na yung matagal na. Pero mapapansin nyo, hindi niya inabutan itong area na to. So, that's why, again guys, pag magte-trade kayo, make sure you also have a trading plan para just in case you're looking for that support, sabihin natin doon nyo gusto umenter, makaka-enter pa rin kayo kasi you already have a contingency plan na if hindi ito umabot, kukunin ko na yung price ng 7.5. Something like that. Dapat kasali din yun sa inyong trading plan. So right now, you will also notice na yung moving average natin is moving on a ranging market na rin, no? So nagta-transition na rin siya and medyo nag-spaghetti na siya. So if you're going to ask me, bearish na ba yan, coach? Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Though siguro itong swing na to, kung magkakaroon siya ng continuation, yan yung bearish. Pero the overall market, hindi pa siya bearish dahil may papalag pa dyan ng mga buyers. Okay? May papalag pa dyan ng mga buyers. For example, ito. Diba? So kung nasakyan mo to papunta dito, then congratulations. Pero as of now, expect na meron na namang sasalo dyan gaya na nangyari dito sa candlestick na to. So if you're going to short this papunta dito sa area na to, malamang sa malamang you are using a Fibonacci analysis. Pwede mong gamitin yan. So since magkaroon na tayo ng buong swing, we can plot this now. So around 382, nag-retrace na siya. Na bounce na rin siya dun sa ating 20 and 50 moving average. So alisin natin yung 100 para hindi mas magulo, para mas malinaw. Okay, so with this, expect nyo guys na possible niya ma-retest ulit tong area na to. If hindi niya naman ma-retest yan at nabangga siya dito sa ating moving average 20 and it hit our 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, expect for the price na dito na siya magkaroon ng continuation. Pero, again guys, possible ulit to mag-retest for 382. Okay, I hope maging mali ako para kung bearish kayo, kumita kayo. Okay, sana mali ako, no? Sana mali ako. So that's our analysis for Link USDT. Since yung moving average niya medyo loose pa siya, so hindi ko siya gusto i-trade. Pero ayun nga, si Sand. Gaya ng sabi ko, no, let's always look for the easiest market to trade, not the hardest. Kasi syempre, wala kang mapipiga doon eh. Mahirap nga siya i-trade eh. So doon ka dapat sa pinakamadali. And definitely, at the end of the day, syempre, it's all about making money in the financial market. So with that, that's our Link USDT analysis. Maraming salamat sa iyong chart request. Raul Fajardo. Okay, so next, we have ZIL USDT for Renji Tidong. Ayan. Okay. Siyempre, umpisan muna natin ating analysis with support and resistance. So, maganda ang galaw ni Zil. Nakikita ko magandang galaw niya. So, maganda natin gawin dito is maglagay na tayo ng Fibonacci natin. Ayan. So, it seems na na-retest na rin niya yung ating 618 area. And nagkakaroon na siya ng distribution stage. So, kung pwede natin ito lagyan ng trend line. So, ayan yung trend line niya, guys. Okay, so makita nyo na nagre-retreat siya dyan sa areas na yan. Okay, ayan. Ayan, nagre-retreat siya dito. So, makikita nyo rin yung mga rejections ng price above this area. Ayan, nagkaroon siya ng rejection. Especially with this one. So, once na ito guys, very interesting what will happen tomorrow. If hindi niya ma-hold itong area na to, I'm expecting na magiging, isang ascending triangle. Ayan, tignan natin kung ascending triangle ba yun. Okay, so since nagkaroon na siya ng ascending triangle dito, we can now plot our Fibonacci retracement. Kunin natin yung buong retracement nitong area na to if may mababangga ba siya. And we can also notice, no, once na-plot na natin ang Fibonacci, it also has a area of 618. Ayan, ito yung area na to. So more likely, there's a possibility people who are bearish with ZIL will be shorting this area. So kaya guys, ayan, mga nasa resistance level na tong Zilica. And definitely, distribution stage, medyo challenging na i-trade to. So kaya always manage your risk. Kasi though mataas ang reward niya, pero medyo magulo ang direction nito. Kaya kung titingnan niyo yung mga patterns nito, go ahead. Pero again, as always, kaya na sinasabi ko, manage your risk. So that's our analysis for ZIL. So ito, maraming salamat dito sa chart na to. And ayan guys, idadagdag na natin siya sa ating watch list. Okay. Big shoutout din nga pala kay Arvan, kay Jeremiah Shane Tarin, kay Baker Kuhn, what's up? Kay Hans Barakel, what's up? Okay. And kay RJ La Madrid, what's up? Okay. So, quick time check muna. Ayun, sakto. 7:56 na. So, ayun guys. Maraming salamat ulit. So, tomorrow, live ulit tayo. Tuloy-tuloy ito. Monday to Friday. So, with that, it's already 7:56 in the evening na. Tomorrow kita-kita tayo sa another live natin. So it's me again, Cryptocurrency Trader. Kung magti-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan. And as always, trade responsibly. Maraming salamat and kita-kits tayo tomorrow 7 PM. And good luck sa pagsali sa ating price surge ni Binance or promo surge. Ayun, maraming salamat guys. Thank you and have a good night.
What's